Hello and welcome. As you can tell by my title, I am filming a Wantable unboxing and I'm going to go straight to the try-on. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like my channel and you like this content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and hopefully you'll give me a thumbs up by the end of the video. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much. I so appreciate the loyalty that you have to my channel. So I will be right back with the first outfit. Okay, I am back with my first outfit, and before I get into it, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Wantable. It is $20 a month for a styling fee. They have like three different, they have one where they put together an outfit for you. I think this is the, like an edit outfit, and it's all about me. Then they have like a I want to say like a workout type of outfit, and then they have one where they kind of select the items for you, and this has 7 pieces in it, and it's still $20. And if you keep 5 pieces, I want to say you get a 20% off. Keep 5 plus discount, it's 20% off any 5 plus. So if you keep 5, 6, or 7, you get 20% off. So the first item that I have on is a Valencia 3-point heather hoodie in violet smoke. And then I also have on these cute Jagger Destructed Skinny in dark wash, and they have like distressed, and then they have a really cool cut-off bottom. And then I'm wearing the Kinney Camo long sleeve tee in charcoal. So hopefully you can see it. I'm outside again, but I just love this camo. And it's got, let me get closer. See, it's got where you can put your fingers in there. And then it's got the sweater, and it's got it all through here, and it's got the cute hoodie in the back, and I think this is a large, so I'm kind of hoping that it fits. And I've got the camo under. It's a little snug in that tummy area, but I really like the jacket. And I'll go over pricing and everything at the end. So this is really nice, and it's actually quite warm. And then this is the camo, and it's got the V-neck and the long sleeves, but it's a little snug in that belly area. So this is how that fits. And I have it on with these cute jeans. Hopefully you can see them. And then I'll lower you, see if I can get you down. And of course there's my bees in the background, and lift it up. I don't know, there's the distressing, and if you can see the bottom, and I can show you those at the end, but I kind of really like them. They fit super nice. So far I think it's a 3 for 3. It all depends on the pricing. So I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I have on the next piece. I wasn't sure if I liked it when I took it out of the box. It is the gray striped long sleeve top in bone by C Supply, and the Kinney Camo tee was also by Z Supply, and I do like their brands. So this is, it's very comfortable. I'm just not sure, it's kind of poofy here. And the other thing is it's a little short. It comes across a little short. So I'm not sure if I'm crazy about how it fits. I still have the jeans on. I'm really kind of liking the jeans with the cut off bottom. But let me know what you think. It's kind of big here. I think it's a large, but I don't think it's really doing much for me. So I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I'm back with my next two pieces. I have on the strap swing tank in sunflower stripe, excuse me, and this is by Lovapella. And I have on the Hampton short in optical white, and they're by Dear John. I love the top, but I think I'm gonna have to size up. I believe this is a medium, and I am gonna need a large, but I love the detailing that goes across here, and I just love the stripes on it. And I paired this with the shorts, but I'm just not a big white person, especially out here and in Arizona. They just seem to get dirty. No matter where I sit, they just seem to get dirty. So I will be right back with that last top. Okay, I'm back with the last top, and I know I'm going to need to size up. This is a medium, and I know I'm going to need a large. And this is by Sanctuary, and it is the Tie to Keep Up tank in white. And I think I bought something similar a couple boxes ago. I love the buttons, and step back, it's got the tie, but again, it's the medium, and it shows all the rolls. I will turn around. So if I did keep it, I'd have to get the large because it's a little snug. So again, they sent me 7 pieces, and I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. What did you think of that Wantable? I thought it was great. Wantable tends to run a little bit big for me, so that's why I ordered a couple mediums. I must be gaining weight because they were just a little tight. So if I bought everything in this box, all 7 pieces, it would come to $385. That's the pants, shorts, the jacket, and the shirts. If I keep 5, the discount is $77. And I do have some credit. I do have a discount code, so if you do want to try Wantable, you get $25 off your first box, and then I get a $25 credit. So it's kind of a win-win situation, and I will leave that link below. And I have the $20 styling credit. So, and they did give me $10 off because my order was so delayed. So with all my credits, and there's an 8% tax, everything would be $275, which isn't bad for 7 pieces. But I am not going to keep 7 pieces. I do like this little white top, but again, they had sent me something similar, and this little white top goes for $49. And even with the discounts, I'm thinking $49. So I'm thinking even with the discounts, it's a little pricey. So this will go back. They give you, you can send it back UPS, but there is a postal thing. So I'm thinking I could just take it to the post office. But you can also send it UPS, so I will just send it back. And the next piece is this top, and I really like it, but I will have to see if they have it in a large, because the medium is just not gonna work for me. And the Lavapella is $44. So I would, if I kept all 5, I would get the discount. So far I only have 1. So let's keep going through it. And then there's the Dear John shorts, and I know I'm not gonna keep these because they are white. And those go for $58, which I still say is a lot of money for a pair of shorts. And then there were these jeans by Vigos, and they are the Jagger Skinny with authentic stretch. But this is the bottom I was talking about. I really kind of like the edgy bottom. So I am thinking of keeping these, which would bring it to 2 pieces. And those are $74, which is average for a pair of pants. And then there is the Z Supply, but I did not really love this at all, so I will not be keeping that. And that was $58, and I thought that was kind of pricey. Now, I really like this jacket. I didn't think at first I would like it, but I did. Leave in the comments below if you like this. And it's got pockets, and it's got, as I said, the stretch to it. It's got the little thing on there, and I really did like this, and I think it would be durable. Especially up here in Washington when it starts to get cooler. And that was $60, and I didn't think that was a bad price. And then there was this Z Supply camo. Again, I would have to up my size in this. I thought it was cute, and I thought it looked really cute with those jeans. And that little guy was $42. So now I'm in this dilemma because I only liked 4 pieces, and you have to keep 5. And if I kept 5, I'd have to think about it, because it would still be probably close to $200. So I'd have to do my math. But let me know what you liked in this box. I really like the jeans and the jacket, but that would be like 100 and something. So for a few more bucks, I could, you know, get a few more pieces. So let me know. As always, thank you so much for spending some time with me. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.